Hello guys, welcome back to the Mexican food channel. In today's video, we're making a delicious ice-cold agua de horchata. This is an authentic homemade Mexican drink and is also very refreshing. Ooh-wee! Alright, let's get started. We're gonna start off with 1 cup of white rice. Go ahead and add it into your bowl. Now you're gonna add 4 cups of very hot water into the bowl. This is gonna help the rice hydrate. You're going to add 3 small cinnamon sticks, and this is going to add flavor to your horchata. Let me just add the rest of the water. I just want to make sure the rice is fully submerged. Here I'm just giving it a quick mix to make sure everything incorporates. Cover the bowl with a dish or a plastic wrap. Let it soak overnight or at least 2 hours. But I definitely recommend overnight. Now that my rice has been soaking overnight, this is how it's going to look. This is the consistency you want. It's perfectly hydrated. Now we're going to blend these ingredients. Add in your cinnamon sticks, and before you add in the rice, make sure you thoroughly wash it. Now I'm gonna take this rice to get washed, and I'm going to use a colander. After you wash it, go ahead and add it into your blender. Next, you're going to add in 4 cups of water. Then you're going to perfectly blend this rice and set it aside. Next, we're going to prepare our horchata mixture. Start off with 4 cups of water. This drink is perfect after a meal of tacos or chilaquiles. The cold creaminess perfectly balances the heat and spice of the meal. Next, you're going to add in 1 cup of sugar. Mix it until it completely dissolves. In case you guys didn't know, horchata is a traditional drink of Latin American countries. It originates back to Spain, where they used to prepare an horchata that is made of tiger nuts. I've never tried it like that, but I really enjoy the Mexican style. Now that it's completely dissolved, we're going to add in 1 can of evaporated milk. Now we're going to add in 1 whole can of sweetened condensed milk. Make sure you guys get all of this deliciousness. Go ahead and give it a quick mix. Now you're going to add in 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything up so all the flavors get synchronized. Now back to the ingredients in the blender. Give it a quick blend. Using a colander, go ahead and add it into your horchata mix. If you want to super strain it, you can go ahead and use a cheesecloth on top of this. Using a spoon, go ahead and push it down to get all of the juices out. It should end up looking something like this. Always taste the drink before serving it to make sure you don't need more sugar. Now for the best part. Get a pitcher full of ice and add in your horchata water. If you feel that the consistency of the horchata is too thick or dense for your taste, simply add more water. Give it a quick and final mix, and then we're going to go for the taste test. I like mine super cold, so I always get it with a bunch of ice. Yummy. Agua de Horchata is sweet and creamy in flavor, with hints of vanilla and cinnamon. It's one of the most beloved traditional Mexican agua frescas. It's delicious. Now for the best part, the taste test. This is my favorite water. I'm so excited. This is so good right now. Agua de Horchata is a refreshing Mexican rice and cinnamon drink. Made with few ingredients, but it tastes so good. I really hope you guys enjoy this authentic Mexican recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Till next time!